Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock journal entry in Tally Prime. A stock journal is a crucial tool for managing your inventory. It allows you to record various adjustments, such as moving goods between different storage locations or accounting for any stock loss or gain. You can also use it to track materials used in manufacturing or to include extra expenses incurred during stock transfers. This ensures your inventory records are always accurate and up to date. To begin, open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. From there, select Vouchers. Now, you can easily access the stock journal by pressing the Alt key along with F7. Another quick way is to press Alt plus G for the Go to option, then choose Create Voucher, and finally select Stock Journal. Remember to press F2 if you need to adjust the voucher date for your entry. Once the Stock Journal voucher is open, you will see two main sections: Source Consumption and Destination Production. First, under the Source section, select the stock item you are moving, specify the quantity, and choose the godown from where the stock is being transferred. Next, move to the Destination section. Here, select the same stock item, enter the quantity being received, and choose the godown where the stock is going. The rate and amount will often pre-fill automatically. After entering the item details, you might encounter an additional cost details screen if there are extra expenses involved in the transfer. Enter those here. Always provide a clear narration to describe the purpose of the stock journal entry, such as stock transfer from warehouse to shop. Finally, press Ctrl+A to accept and save the voucher. You can then check your inventory reports to confirm the stock has been adjusted correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.